pull it up. Okay, hi guys. So today we're gonna make some paper squishies with my bestie Madeline. Yes, okay. Anyway, we're gonna make some paper squishies. She is the mastermind of making these. So we have some markers. We have some crayons over there. We have a little more markers. We have some scissors. She got the big boy scissors. I got the baby ones. And we have some tape. The camera's like over here though. So let's get into it. We can make whatever we want. The rule we can, and then my mom's gonna judge it. Okay, so let's begin.
I'm gonna make boba.
Alright, I'm gonna make a surprise. Okay, I'm gonna try making like a blind bag. When did you find at Costco? So today's shout outs are Alicia Farouk. Hi, Alicia. Next shout out is Gabriella Malagon. Hi, Gabriella. We have Madison Stobie. Hi, Madison. Dakota. Hi, Dakota. And our last shout out is Arnavi. Hi, Arnavi. Okay. So, there we go. So our shout-outs are done. So now I'm going to try to make one of those blind bags.
I'm trying to make a boba bottle. It's not turning out so good so far.
That's okay. That's fine.
It's just going to be long.
I might do like a squishy, collect your boba squishy. Like you can make the boba squishy and this could be like the blind bag for the boba squishy.
Yeah, that'll be good.
That's what I'm doing.
I have to.
I could actually use Oreo pastels because I don't tape over them. She says you need to tape over them. Well, comment down below which one is actually true. Should you tape them down or not?
Well, I like to laminate them because then they last longer.
You tape them, not laminate them.
Well, no, I like tape it.
Yeah, that's not a laminating.
Yeah, taping is.
Yeah,
well, I just like to laminate it though.
Okay, you put your conversations on the paper.
I do laminate it.
Put your conversations in your mouth because you don't need them.
Sorry.
Tapioca. Boba.
Nope, not good.
Sorry, like my markers don't work though. Here, I have some markers over here. That's a broken stencil. Trauma stencil.
Okay.
Bro, anyone remember those stencils? Anyone like ever got stencils? Comment down below what's your favorite stencil. Is it the blue ones or
my personal favorite is like the popsicle one.
Bro, don't be shining camera. Alright, yeah, so like oh my god, there's some glitter on my eye. Sorry about that. There's glitter on my eye. That's what they say your eyes sparkle. I guess that's what they mean by your eyes sparkle. I'm not a wallflower because I turned a new leaf. Another black marker. And we need a purple, orange, a UV pen. I got them. I guess I'm supplies.
You got brown?
No, I don't have any other browns. You could use like one of these.
Yeah, I'll use it.
Yeah. I have some brown crayons and like color pastels. I'm actually a glitter blue, so if it doesn't work, you're stubborn. I have this like giant padding over my seat to not look short. That way I look a little taller, guys. Guys, do I look taller?
I'm short.
Anyway. Wrong thing.
That was very big. That was
Very basic. Wrong thing I grabbed. Just got it. Filling our bobas. Baby bobas. So should we only have one? It's almost 10 minutes. Okay, so this is just like I'm gonna do. So this one is gonna be the boba. It's gonna be like a boba pack. I'm actually not gonna do the squishy. I'm gonna make it like some like these boba tea packets that you can like make up. I'm just gonna make it very basic, like a very basic squishy, because like just adding this nice little pink. Smell this.
It smells good.
I'll just draw underneath my nose, that way I can smell it. Dude, I can barely see it. Don't worry, it isn't toxic, guys. What's bro doing over there? What are you doing?
And this.
Okay, very interesting.
I'm not coloring the boba at the bottom. The boba has to be black.
Okay. What about the plans we made? You know what I mean?
No.
No? Okay. What about the plans we made? Putting on
trying to color mine brown. It's not working.
Bruh, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Does this look good?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Stop lying with those words. Pink is a warm color, but a cool color to me, so I just use both. That's gonna probably fix this up. Never mind, it didn't. I'm just gonna write boba with the color yellow. Tea. Spill the tea. Spill the tea, honey. Spill the tea.
Oh my god.
Okay, I gotta tape this.
Just gotta tape.
But it's just very basic, you know? Oh, like, everything's fancy. Oh my god. Oh my god. This goes straight and this goes not.
Oh my god.
JK guys. JK guys, I'm sorry, Madeline. I'm sorry. Okay. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bro, if you guys watch Friends, like, if you guys watch, like, Friends, or, like, if you guys watch Young Sheldon, Pitch Perfect, or Friends, give this video a like. There's a giant Pitch Perfect friend, apparently. Alright. And if you guys know, you know, Madeline. If you guys know, you'll know. Kids, just don't imitate this at your house if you have someone. Okay. I get sued. I might get copyrighted. Don't worry, I can pay the bills. I got $40. Yeah. That was like $10. That was like $10. That was like $10. Who do you think I am? A unicorn? Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns eating the sand. Is that how it goes? Pink fluffy unicorns eating the sand?
I don't know.
It goes pink fluffy unicorns eating the sand, right?
Don't ask me.
Girl, you know all the preppy things. She's very preppy.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Show me your outfit. As the
What?
It's preppy.
No, it's not.
It's cute. I'm gonna grab some paper bags.
I'm not preppy.
Yes, you are.
Alright. Trying to color it in brown. It's really hard to color in with brown. Shit, a lot of brown. Huh?
My mom's gonna make some. Do you want to try?
What?
Mozzarella sticks.
I don't know. There you go.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want some?
Oh yeah, I already ate.
You already ate? She already ate. Yeah. Don't mind me just stuff. On pretzels or apple slices or anything like that.
I'm like, oh, that's fine.
If you guys know Marathi, you'll know.
Yeah.
I'm getting some Walmart plastic bags.
You can use plastic bags, stuffing, like regular stuffing, or you can rip up tissues and use that instead.
Yeah,
but that would be best for like really small squishies.
Yeah, I use that more often, but now these make like more of a crunch. Sorry, everybody, that kind of paused. I'm sorry, I just kind of glitched. I just kind of glitched, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I need 3 plastic bags. What is this actually for? 4 plastic bags for 1 squishy.
Thanks.
Alright, guys, so now we're done with this. You guys, we're going to show our squishies. I'm going to show my squishy. If she finishes, then I'll post a short. Sorry.
Since this squishy is this really big squishy, I'm not even done drawing the boba. We're gonna make a short.
Yeah, we're gonna make a short, and then we're gonna make a short soon, and then in that short, we'll show you guys her finished. Now do the separate short or a new short coming up. I don't want to spoil too much. Girl, can you like hold this like this? Can you just like pull it so like, girl, just like keep it like pulled like. Girl, can you come over here? Pull it like this and just like keep it open. Here so I can like tape it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Here's my squishy.
Black Sharpies. Oh.
Here's my squishy. Sorry, it says boba tea packets.
Nope, that's not a Sharpie.
This is a Sharpie. You want a Sharpie?
Yeah.
This one's a bad one. That one's a bad one.
It is?
Yeah, this is a good one. I don't know where I kept it. Oh yeah, here's the good one. Here's the good one.
Oh, thanks.
She wanted.
Take you one there.
Can I make some space?
Yeah, you might want to take like everything and move it to the left. There we go. Here's my boba tea packets. It's the size of her head. It's the size of my head.
Can you tape this? Hold on, actually, I'm gonna take this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine.
I messed up. She just said like, "Ding."
Oh, you're taping it like that?
Yeah.
You can make
The cylinder. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Okay, guys. So, I unfortunately have to end this video. I go on a minute. So when we're done, we'll show you her finished result. Until then, bye.